My name's Tony Scorer. I run a company called First Fix Systems, which is basically a fixings and fastening company. We sell plugs, screws, drill bits. On the back of that, we also sell power tools and a wider range of product, but also to a very broad-based range of trades, which includes plumbers, builders, joiners, fencers, kitchen fitters. When we first started, we just used, for invoicing, we just used Microsoft Word and sort of physically punched and typed every invoice. Sometimes it would be uppercase, sometimes it'd have a capital lowercase. It was a bit of a mishmash, you know, it depends who was on the computer at the time. In one sense, I'm a bit of a dinosaur and sort of kept computers at a distance, but I realised that we had to progress. It was an educational thing, you know, I had to really educate myself as to how computers worked and also how software worked and what systems were out there. When you talk to like computer guys, they talk gobbledygook, for want of a better, you know, analogy. But if you talk to the guy in the warehouse and say, what do you think of your computer system? He'll generally tell you all the faults. He'll say, well, it doesn't do this and it doesn't do that. And it was taking little bits of advice from various people, just asking your friends, asking customers, asking suppliers, and coming up with an overall picture of what it could do for you. Now in the business we have a server system and 5 PC stations. Now if anything happens, it happens in real time. Once we've created an order or a quotation, we can change that quotation to a sales order, to a purchase order, from that delivery note, and then a sales invoice, and it just throws out a statement at the end of the month. You know, you press a button and it throws a statement out. The other thing the software allows you to do is it tracks your stock, but it also tracks your prices. For example, if it's a low margin, it'll actually throw that, it highlights that, so you know you've got a low margin on a particular product, and you can then take a look at it, you know. Eventually, once you've got all your stock in place, you can actually put an order on the computer system as the customer speaks to you, and he knows exactly what he's spent, and you'll be able to say it'll be with you tomorrow or Thursday or whatever. So in terms of the business, it presents hopefully a far better image. I think the benefits would be definitely saves time. It gives you information, which is what you need to run the business, run it efficiently. And that also is true with the reports that it'll pull out in terms of, you know, customers, what they spend, what's the main products to buy. It's got the capacity to do that. Although we are starting to see some benefits now, that will only get better as time goes on and we become more adept at what the software system will do. A bit like opening a door, you open the door and you get that nice surprise, you know, when it's a nice laid out room or whatever, you know, that's what it's like. You know, you go, what does this do? And it's a whole new experience in terms of what it can do, you know. So it's quite exciting in some ways.